Hello, my name's John Draper. I am an application engineer with Hexagon, and I work primarily with the Esprit software and the Esprit API. I build a lot of applications for customers with the API and help answer questions regarding how to use it and where it can be used. So just to kind of give you a brief review of where the API is used inside of the Esprit software. Um, One key area is Esprit has these expressions. The API is commonly used in the expression builders. So that's one area. Another area that the API can be used is building custom extensions that can run the Esprit software. And by pressing the button, we can activate specific things. So this VB.NET tutorial, which is a tutorial on the API itself, is actually built entirely using the API, which is pretty cool. So the API allows us to build ribbon items and things like that. We can also use the API from external applications like Excel or your own home-built application or your CAD software of choice, whatever it might be, and you could run functions in Esprit from there. And then you can also build projects with the API to do kind of useful things within the software. So if you want to print out the setup information, or if you want to adjust operations or anything like that, or tools, we can do all these things, using the API. So it's kind of exciting. You could connect the API to an AI agent and plausibly run functions in Esprit from an AI agent. You could build a system for automatic programming where you just input variables and Esprit will, you know, complete an entire program. You can even analyze solids and evaluate, run Esprit from solid analysis. So Esprit engineers have done a great job over the years maintaining documentation. Whenever you download Esprit, a CHM file is loaded into your computer. The CHM file has a complete review of the Esprit API. You can step through it and see the components, their events built into the API as well. And you can step through this and kind of see all the various functions. So let's look at the application layer, which is a top tier layer of it. Within the application, there's specific functions and properties, and the documentation labels all of them. The API can be programmed in C#, VB.NET, or VBA. You select each individual one, it'll give you a review of how it works. There's also examples linked here, which will bring you to the example, and you can select how you would like to view the specific examples. There are examples of how to generate geometry, generate features, layers, build toolpath, build tools themselves, generate events within the software, analyze the toolpath, and create machine setups. So if you think about all the functions that you do as a CAM programmer, essentially everything that you do while you're programming the software can be conducted through an automated function. So a lot of times customers might automate specific parts of their programming process. Maybe think of a SMED study, where you perform a SMED study on your CAM programming and find ways to make certain areas more efficient. Some customers will program everything automatically. Some will just use the API to build some expressions or do build KBM functions. So those are all areas of the API. If you go in here, we can go into these operations, and these functions are all built using the API themselves. So the recognition rules that are built into the process technology of Esprit. So this is where you'd find the documentation. You can also navigate to the this folder on your installation. Um, this will have the tutorials and samples built into it. So you can review all the VBA samples. There's C Sharp and VB.NET samples here as well. If the CHM is hard to navigate, we actually have a web page for this as well, and you can see all the tutorials and things through the web page. It's essentially the same as the CHM file, but sometimes the web page is easier to navigate for some people. So that's essentially it. Thank you for reviewing my video on the API, what it is, and how you could use it, and then also where to find the documentation on it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.